The red meat sauce and the white is good too. If you want half and half, or if you want both. Yeah. So Charles, can you serve a half and half with spaghetti noodles? Half white sauce, half meat sauce, just the way you did with me? Yeah, no problem. No, we wanted to show early, be prepared, so we just had to be up to speed here. Alright, so do you want anything to drink? No, we just have naked juice. Yeah, we have naked juice. Quick. Those are free. Okay. No problem. You know, I can give you water for free. Sure? Yeah, here. You help me. You took care of us. Sorbet. All right, $9. We are number 1.